This is a little awkward here because I've got the sun in my eyes, but this is an anniversary. My dad's birthday was yesterday, right over here. So that's me. He's George Arthur, and I'm George Andrew, and my son is George Andre. 1924 to 2007, and he was in World War II here in the United States. And right in here is the dash, okay? And what is the dash? The dash is what my dad did, what he accomplished, who he was, and what he gave to the world, fighting in World War II for peace, to end that world war. That was in the dash. And a little bit later on, when I was born, he taught me. He brought me to like the Museum of Science and Industry, which is in Chicago, and they've got all kinds of cool stuff in there. World War II submarines, U-boats, coal mines, train sets, space stuff, James Bond, all that kind of cool stuff in there. So during this dash he gave me, I'm not going to say experience, but he exposed me to some really kind of cool stuff. Now, think about your dash, all right? What is your, when you pass away, when you're in here at your eulogy, when they're talking about your memorial, what was it that you did for even just one person? Think about that. How do you want to be remembered? How do you want to contribute? If you're watching this, you're still alive, you're still with us, and you still have time. I still have time. People who are alive still have time. But if you understand, the dash is from the time you were born to the time that you died. What was in between that? Okay? So hope that gives you something to think about. Peace.